Hello, this is Zach Daniels again. I'm doing my third video. For this one, this is a program I found actually our school has that is free, but I've never used it or even bothered to look at it until today. It's called Nearpod. It's actually a really cool program. Basically, you can create live. You basically use Google Slides. You create lessons within Google Slides, and then you can share it with the kids. But within those Google Slides, you can create interactive like games and like questions. So I actually went ahead and played with it a lot today because I had something I've been wanting to do for the last 2 years with my kids. A couple things, and I never fully got it going because I couldn't think of a program. And if I had just taken some time to look at the stuff my school offers, that might have been helpful. But this is actually perfect. I actually uploaded it today so I can actually show you what I mean. So basically, for my students, like we work a lot on money and money management. But when I would start the class, I would start with basic coin values, dollar amount values, and so on. And so what would happen is you get a code. You can run the whole thing live, and basically you can control the pace of the whole lesson from your computer. Or you can do it student-based. You have either option. But basically you give the kids the code, they log in, and once you hit start, it will go to this first slide. So this first slide, you can put in a question. So this one says match the coins with each other. So all you would have to do is you drag. There's multiple ways you can do things. You can drag, you can click, as so. For this one, I have a couple different ways of doing it because my students learn all different ways. It tracks how many tries it takes for you as well. Going on to the next slide, I set up a quiz. So 4 questions. So what is the name of this coin? It would be a dime. Same with this, a nickel, and so on. And if we skip the quiz, the next thing they have to do is they have to write in here. And this can be a little difficult, but it has them practicing working and writing. I know with the mouse pad here, it's kind of hard. But basically, like for this one, it was, what is the value of a penny? So all I would look for is they click on whatever color they want. All I have to do is draw 1, and for some of my kids, I expect to see them to put the value, the money sign there. They don't have to. Some of them do, some of them don't. But they have to do this for all the coins, and that's how it ends. And at the end of the whole thing, I get to see how many tries it took them for each question. Obviously, the writing part I have to look at myself, but the program will grade the rest for me. And this program is awesome. And I could talk all day about it because I really enjoyed working on it today. The other thing we do survival signs, so we focus on signs you would see out in public or in the school, what they mean and so on. And I did the same thing with them for this, or I'm working on it, I should say. I'm working on putting it in. It'll be the same kind of step. It can be a quiz, it could be matching, it could be dragging it, matching the pictures with the word, and so on. So this program is really cool. So I highly suggest you try it. Yeah. So this is Nearpod. Excellent program.